N8N made self-hosting AI insane. N8N made it way easier to run their AI assistant on your own server. And I want to show you exactly what changed and why it matters. Quick heads up before I start. What you're watching right now is an AI avatar of Julian Goldie. It's built to walk you through real AI news fast and clear. So here's the news. On August 18th, 2026, N8N announced a big change. If you don't know N8N, it's a tool that lets you build automations. Think of it like connecting building blocks. One block reads an email, another block writes a reply, another block posts it to Slack, no code needed. N8N also has something called the AI Assistant. It's a helper that builds those automations for you. You type what you want in plain English, it builds the workflow, it tests it, it fixes it if something breaks. That part already existed. Here's what's new. Before this update, getting the AI assistant to run on your own server was a pain, a real pain. You had to turn on a hidden setting. You had to set up something called a sandbox, which is just a safe little box where the AI can run code without touching your real files. You had to plug in your AI model. And if you wanted the AI to search the web, you had to set that up too, mostly by typing in a bunch of settings by hand. A year ago, this whole process could eat up your entire afternoon. Lots of steps, lots of room to mess something up. Now, N8N shrunk all of that down to one line, one single command. You type it in, hit enter, and it sets up N8N, the sandbox, and web search all at once. Let me break down why that one line actually matters, because it's doing more than it looks like. Think of the sandbox like a padded room. The AI needs somewhere safe to run code and test ideas without breaking your real computer. Before, you had to build that padded room yourself piece by piece. Now, the one-line setup builds the padded room for you automatically. Same with web search. N8N added something called SearXNG. That's just a search tool the AI can use to look things up while it builds your automation. Before, you had to wire this up by hand. Now it comes ready to go. The only thing you still need to add yourself is your AI model. That means an API key from a company like Anthropic, OpenAI, or OpenRouter. Think of that key like a subscription pass. It's what lets the AI assistant actually think and respond. N8N doesn't hand you that part. You bring your own and you plug it in through a simple screen inside an 8N. No more digging through settings files. So the whole setup now looks like this. You run one line of code, that installs N8N, the sandbox, and the search tool. Then you open N8N in your browser, click a few buttons to connect your model, and you're building. Compare that to before. Enable a hidden setting. Set up a sandbox by hand. Configure your model. Set up search by hand. Deal with a pile of technical settings most people had never touched before. That was the old way. One command replaced almost all of it. Now let's talk about why anyone would want to self-host this instead of just using it in the cloud. A few reasons. If you self-host, your data stays on your own server. Nobody else touches it. You also get to pick your own AI model instead of being locked into one option. And if you're already running N8N on your own machine for other automations, this just plugs right in. This feature is still in preview. That means it can still make mistakes sometimes. So don't hand it your most important workflow on day one. Test it, watch what it builds, then trust it more over time. Let me give you one way I'd use this. Say I wanted to grow the AI Profit Boardroom. I could open the AI assistant and type something like this. Build me a workflow that checks our community's new signups every morning and sends each person a welcome message with their first coaching call date. That's it. One sentence. The AI assistant plans it, builds it, and tests it for me. That used to take real setup time. Now it's one plain English sentence and a few minutes of waiting. All right, quick break because I want you to see how this connects to something bigger. If you're serious about using tools like N8N to actually grow your business, N8N's link is the description and comments below. Also, this is exactly what we cover inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We've already got a walkthrough on setting up N8N's AI assistant, the new way, connecting your model, and building your first automation without touching a line of code. Every week, we run a live coaching call where you can bring your exact N8N setup and get help on the spot. And a lot of our members are already using N8N to handle their lead follow-ups and client onboarding, so you'll be learning from people already doing it, not just theory. If you want the walkthrough, the link's in the comments and the description. Okay, back to the news. Let's talk about who this update is really for. N8N said it themselves. This is mainly for 4 types of people. First, people already running N8N on their own server who want to turn on their AI assistant without a headache. Second, brand new users who are just getting started and want the fastest path in. Third, teams who care about keeping their data private and want full control over which AI model they use. Fourth, builders who want to go from an idea to a working automation fast without clicking through 100 different nodes by hand. Now, here's something worth knowing if you're technical or if you work with someone who is. For your sandbox, the padded room I mentioned earlier, you actually get a choice. You can use N8N's own built-in sandbox, which is great for testing things out. Or if you're running this for real business use, you can use a hosted Sandbox service called Daytona instead. That gives you more power if you're running bigger workflows. And if you already have N8N running through Docker before this update, you're not left out. You just update to version 2.35 or later, follow the setup steps for your Sandbox and search tool, and connect your model. The AI assistant is turned on by default from that version forward. Let's zoom out for a second. Why does this kind of update matter, even if you never touch a Sandbox or a Docker command in your life? Because it shows you something about where all of this is heading. A year ago, using AI to build your own automations meant you basically needed to be a developer. You needed to understand code, servers, environment variables, all of it. Now the setup is shrinking down to one line, and the actual building happens in plain English. That gap is closing fast. What used to take a technical team a full day to configure now takes one person a few minutes. And the part that's left, actually describing what you want built, that part anyone can do. You don't need to know how a sandbox works. You just need to know what job you want automated. I'll be honest with you, a lot of people hear self-hosted and sandbox and API key and they check out. I get it. It sounds technical, but that's exactly why this update matters. N8N took the technical part and folded it into one line. The part that's left for you is the easy part. Describe what you want. Let the AI build it. If you run a business and you're not using something like this yet, you're doing manual work that a workflow could be doing for you right now. Checking signups by hand, copying leads from one tool into another, writing the same follow-up message over and over. Every one of those is a workflow N8N's AI assistant could build for you in one sentence. Let's talk about what's coming next, because N8N isn't slowing down. They've been shipping updates constantly through 2026. New nodes for tools like Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity, a redesigned settings page where you can manage your AI assistant, your sandbox, and your search provider all in one place instead of digging through environment variables. They're clearly building toward a world where self-hosting AI automation is just as easy as using the cloud version, minus the trade-offs. If that trend keeps going, and there's no reason to think it won't, the next update might shrink this down even further. Maybe a setup wizard right inside the browser. Maybe automatic model suggestions based on what you're trying to build. We'll see. But the direction is obvious: less setup, more building. So here's what I'd actually do with this news, depending on where you're at. If you already run N8N on your own server, update to 2.35 and try the AI assistant this week. Start small. Ask it to build one simple workflow first. If you've never used N8N before, this is a good time to start. The one-line setup means you're not stuck configuring things you don't understand. If you run a business and you've been putting off automation because it felt too technical, this update is aimed directly at you. The technical wall just got a lot shorter. And if you're not sure where to even start, that's normal. Most people feel that way the first time they see all this. The fix isn't to figure it out alone, it's to watch someone build it once, then copy what they did. Which brings me to how you can actually use this today. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, we're building out our full playbook on N8N's new AI assistant setup. Not just how to install it, but how to actually put it to work, automating things like lead follow-ups, client onboarding, and content scheduling. We've got 4 live coaching calls every week where you can ask questions about your exact setup, daily step-by-step tutorials so you're never stuck, and a community of business owners who are already running N8N automations for real client work, so you can see exactly how they built it before you try it yourself. If you want more free breakdowns like this one, plus the full process and over 100 AI use cases, join the AI Success Lab. It's free. You'll get the notes from this exact video and you'll be inside a community of 75,000 people who are already using AI tools like N8N to save time in their business. Links for both are in the comments and the description. And if you want to grab N8N yourself and follow along with today's update, that link's down there too. It's an affiliate link. I earn a commission if you buy. That's the update. One line of code now sets up what used to take an entire afternoon. N8N keeps closing the gap between having an idea and actually seeing it built. Go update, go build something small, and I'll see you in the next one.